Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Inspired by my country's flag, I have prepared this recipe, Tiranga Rava Dhokla. Let's check the ingredients. 1 cup carrot puree, 1 cup curd, 1 cup spinach puree, 250 grams roasted rava, 2 spoons mustard, salt to taste, some curry leaves, 1 spoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cooking soda, oil as required. Take a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of curd to 250 grams of roasted rava, add 1 spoon of sugar, salt to taste, and let us whisk. Now let us add 1 cup of water to the mixing bowl to make a smooth batter. Now let us whisk vigorously until there are no lumps. Now the consistency looks perfect. Now let us add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and gently mix. Now allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Let's keep it aside. After 20 minutes, let us divide the batter into 3 equal quantities. As we require white color batter, I am keeping it aside as it is. To get orange and green color, we are going to mix the natural food colors. Now let us add the carrot puree to 1 bowl and start mixing it. Please check the description box to know how to make carrot and spinach puree. Now let us mix the spinach puree to another bowl and start mixing it. Here we have used the natural food colors as possible. Now let us add 1/4 spoon of cooking soda to each of the bowl equally and mix them gently. This cooking soda is used to make the dhokla batter look fluffy, and it's optional. Before adding the dhokla batter to the mold, grease the mold by adding some oil to it and keep it aside. Now let us switch on the stove. Pour some water to the pan. Once the water starts boiling, before placing the mold inside the pan, let us add the orange batter and allow it to steam for 5 minutes in a medium flame. Gently tap to remove the air bubbles and place it inside the pan. Let us cover it with the lid. After 5 minutes, let us check. I'm using a toothpick. Yeah, it is cooked. Now let us add the white batter to it. Make sure you spread the batter evenly. Now we are going to cook it for another 5 minutes by covering with the lid. After 5 minutes, let us check. I'm using a toothpick to check. Yes, it is cooked. Now let us add the green batter. Pour it to the mold and spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. After spreading it, cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let us check. The dokla looks great and fluffy. Yes, it is cooked well. Switch on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Add some fresh curry leaves and garnish. Once the dokla mold is cooled down, let us cut the edges by using a knife. Also flip the dokla and add mustard and curry leaves for garnishing. Now our Tiranga Rava Dhokla is ready. Hope this recipe will make your Independence Day celebration special. Jai Hind. Also like this video? Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and also for your continued support. Please check out my other videos.